Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm hiding this because I don't want you to see what I'm going to play. So, there's not going to be an intro on this like there usually is. It's not going to be Moose and Llama, even though I'm such a druid, Llama and Moose. But, because I'm working on a new intro and a new animation. Yeah. So, I'm going to pause it and continue when I finish. Yeah. Okay, so we're playing Ragdoll Mayhem, my favorite game. Let's play. Two teams fight for the most kills, yeah. And if this better not be copyrighted. I need an apple, I got a sniper. It's called Ragdoll Mayhem because it's so hard to move. That's a wheelchair. Oh yeah. Dang it. I had 40 kills and 82 deaths. Potato. How? I'm not good at this game, but how? Wait, he's on my team. How did he kill me? I'm not amazing at this game. Oh yeah, that one was just a plunger bomb. I haven't played since yesterday. There's no intro. I punched him. How did that knock you off? Guys, sorry if I'm not talking. I'm just super focused. I'm killing someone with my phone. And I'm dead. Yep. Yeah, it killed someone. I'm not good at this. Potato. What? 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 I knew. I got 1 kill. I don't know if this music that's during this game is copyrighted. I'll find out. I was drinking sodas. Totally not Pepsi. Totally not Coke. Coca-Cola. 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 So guys, yeah, I'm leaving. Deal with it. Can I shoot anyone? Yeah, I can shoot anyone. Yay! Railgun. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot I was recording. I thought I was just sweating super hard. But I'm recording. I've only died once this round. Correct me if I'm wrong. I was doing no damage. Yeah, that was definitely hacking. Dang it. So, guys. Yeah. Did I even turn my timer on? Okay. I'm playing on console. Oh no, I'm not. Wait, and equip things. Flip. Accessories. Bandana. Backwards cap. Blind exit. Yes. Why are you sorry for your eyes? Yes! Deathmatch free for all. Get the most points. Yeah. Okay. So guys, I think I'm gonna have to end it right here. Goodbye guys. Thank you for watching. And please do consider leaving a like because I am leaving today. I mean tomorrow. Yeah. Bye.